stopped by the office one day and there was a great presentation. And we went home and came right back and decided to sign up.
My daughter and I were looking for a place to move to, and she's found it on the internet. And so then, of course, we came and took a look.
I was looking for something permanent, and this appealed to me.
The reason I moved in is it is walkable to everything. There's a Fry's grocery store across the street.
One of the factors, the reason that I moved here was because the washer and dryer is in the apartment. I go, wow, the washer and dryer is in the apartment, so you can do your laundry anytime you want.
Yes, we are married. We've been married for over 40 years. And the facilities are great. There's a gym here you can use as well.
We have Louis, who is our exercise specialist, the pool, and there's just lots of options for us here. We selected the property because it is pet friendly. There aren't
The movie theater, I don't know if you've seen it, it's wonderful.
Describe album in one word, I would say convenient.
I love it here. But I walked in my apartment after I signed my lease, and I walked over to the window and I looked out and I had tears in my eyes because I thought, this is home.